Hi, let me show you how to easily connect your home to HomeKit using the Ampai Smart Plug. All you have to do is put your iPhone near the plug, or scan the HomeKit code, and you're good to go. Once connected, you can control your lights from your phone. Set up schedules for your lighting. And even use your voice to control it. Hi Siri, turn off the light. It's super convenient for your smart home. Enjoy the fun with Ampai.